You don't seem happy to destroy your car. Oh, God. All right.
All right. So today is the day. I'm heading over to Call Me Ken's. We are about to destroy my fenders in order to give this car a whole new look. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Just leaving Harbor Freight. Got some extra little parts that we needed, so that we could slap this on right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got the other one in the back, baby. Let's get it. Just pulled up to Ken's house. Let's hear that GXP bark. Good cold start. So part one is underway. Ken didn't destroy my my antenna.
Hey, slow down now.
It's okay. We're about to ruin this thing. Anyway. Damn, look at that. Big ass dent. Sheesh. I hope we cut that high. Because if not, I'm stupid.
Oh, you're gonna cover it. This gonna cover the whole quarter panel.
I know. I'm excited, man. I don't know if y'all want to see the whole thing or if you just want me to snap and it be done, but I'm gonna film both ways and then we'll be back. I'm over this, man. Over this. Fuck this car. Damn. Miss. Oh, my wheel.
Oh my God. You gotta put some more enthusiasm in it. You don't seem happy to destroy your car. Oh God. All right. Goddamn. Goddamn. Vote us out.
Whole you feel
Bruh,
me?
you put. That's a treat. God. Okay, now we gotta cut up higher.
Oh damn.
Cause you just smashed the whole goddamn thing in.
I'm in Hulk mode for no reason.
Oh my God.
I ate my Wheaties this morning.
He wasn't even trying.
I really wasn't. That was like 30%. You want to see 100?
You ain't even gonna be able to use on the over fenders if you do 100.
Right. So you're gonna come out the other side.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, baby. This was supposed to happen from drifting, but this is happening so that I can drift some more.
So that you can drift more? So you
I'm
couldn't drift before?
That's not what I'm saying.
I mean, that's what you said.
We're gonna edit that out.
No, put it in. You gotta show the dumb stuff.
You're not wrong.
You need them watch hours. They gonna watch all this.
That's for sure.
We for sure need the watch hours.
So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Go watch all my other videos. I appreciate it. I'll give you $100 million when I get it.
Ooh. Can I get my cut first?
I got you. I got you. Remember that energy drink I bought you?
Oh shit.
But yeah, this is the fender, y'all.
All right, well, we was only gonna cut like right here, but I was gonna have to cut here.
It's your fault, man. You said give it some.
Yeah, I didn't know you was gonna give it that much. You gave it a little too much, goddamn.
Super Saiyan on that motherfucker.
Goddamn, 47. Hey, I need to start using my GoPro. Which one is this? A 9? 10. I think I have a 9. I have one that I don't even use.
You should give it to me.
Absolutely not. I need to start vlogging with this instead of the big camera. I get tired of holding the big camera. This is like efficient.
Yeah.
All right, let's stop talking.
Let's get into it. I got video evidence of this man destroying my vehicle.
He's on black?
Yes.
Wow.
Obama in the background.
trying to see if that's the way I want to follow it. Damn.
Yeah, I went a little crazy right in
You
here.
hit a lot. God damn it. I didn't know that was going to happen. Shit.
My bad.
Imagine right now, he'd be like, I just changed my mind. I don't want a white body no more.
I'll have to fight you. I'm not leaving this garage without a wide body.
You ain't got to go home, but you got to get the hell up out of here.
Well,
That's what it is.
we're going to get back to y'all as we continue to make progress. Stay tuned. There we go. I'm gonna catch on straight fire.
Tonight will be the night that I won't fall for you.
What? Hey, yo. My boy on his white boy too.
My mind.
I'm leaving all this in the video.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So this is what it's looking like. Got her all finished up. It only took 14 hours. Ken is exhausted. He kicked me out. But it's how she's sitting right now. That gap is insane. My wheel is that far in. Shit. Talk about wide. Look at that. Whole wheel disappear. Don't worry about the little white right there. I had to do some sanding to get the gas cap to fit where it's supposed to. But damn, look at the butt. Look at the booty meat on that motherfucker. I like it. I'm excited. First step of the rest of the process of the entirety of the changing of this vehicle. But man, this is a huge step. Super huge shout out to that man right there. That's Call Me Ken if you don't know already. Subscribe to the YouTube. Subscribe to the Hot Boys YouTube channel. And follow him on Instagram at Call Me Ken with 3 L's, no space. And yeah, stay tuned for the rest of this. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. And I'll see you on the next one.